We track storms to alert you first. This is KIMT Storm Team 3, weather coverage you can count on.
Well, welcome back, everyone. So the sun hasn't risen quite yet. No surprise there. And temperatures remain on the cooler side, but we're starting off a little warmer than we were this time yesterday, which is a sign that we're expected to be a little warmer today than we were yesterday. Yes, this is the beginning of our warm up through the week. Live Eye Network showing the mostly clear skies. Difficult to see any cloud cover there, as it usually is. Really what I wanted to show are the temperatures right around that 60-degree point. Now, when I move over to this map, yes, we can see temperatures in the 60s, some of us already in the upper 60s, including Mankato and Minneapolis. What I really wanted to show here, though, are the dew points. We've moved into the mid-50s for a few of us, even in the 60s. Charles City sitting at 61 over 61. Now what that means is that our humidity is on the rise. So as these dew points continue to slowly, very slowly rise, we'll start to feel a little more of that moisture in the air. In fact, as we get through today, we'll be between the comfortable side, which is about where a lot of us are now, up to maybe right there at the muggy side of things as some of these numbers approach 65. Not quite tropical yet, which is fine, but as temperatures rise, so will those humidity, so will those dew point numbers, and we'll start to feel it a little more in the air. Overall, though, not a bad summer day, slightly above the average as we get back into the mid-80s. A few more clouds, which is also an indication that we've got a little more moisture in play, and already now satellite and radar is showing it off. Now these clouds, not thick by any means. It looks a lot busier than it really is. We are waking up to mostly clear skies, but there is evidence of these clouds already making a move. As I zoom things out, we can see rain once again to the west of us pretty far, and pretty far to the south of us as well. Actually some severe weather there, but it looks like things have moved over to more on the flood side for our friends in Missouri. Regardless, that's where the rain's going to be staying today. We're not going to be seeing much of it, but we are going to be getting a little more of that moisture in play, and thus a bit more of the cloud cover compared to yesterday. So partly cloudy skies today, and as you can see, Sky Tracker 3, it was difficult there to see. It moved very fast. We actually have some layerings of the clouds going on, so maybe a few a little closer to the ground. Point is, mixture of sun and clouds today. As we see some of these green dots begin to pop up on the map, this is around 6 p.m., maybe a chance for a sprinkle, but usually what this means is that we're going to start seeing a little bit of those clouds puff up. There is moisture, but it's not necessarily going to be falling down. Our rain chances start to slowly pick up because of this increase in humidity, and really, they're not super significant, but worth mentioning, especially as we approach the weekend. Those chances do start to build back in. What these darker green bars are indicating is overnight rains. The chances are a little higher as that sun sets. So here we go, the 7-day forecast where the weekend is always in view. If you remember from yesterday, we did have a higher chance on Friday, but now that has slipped into Friday night. And now the weekend is showing off some chances for rainfall, including Sunday, which also features a drop in those temps. Alex.
Thank you, Sarah.